Okay, so now is the time we are going to set the bodice aside completely and focus on the skirt. And I wanted to include something. In the instructions, it says to sew down the panel from the waist to the notch, but it doesn't say which pieces of the skirt to put together. So I wanted to show you what you're supposed to do. Okay, right here I have my center panel. That is the smallest one. And as you will see on the pattern pieces, there are notches along what will end up being your right side. So put your center panel face up, and here's my notch. I actually lowered it by 3 inches, and that's my new notch. So I'm just gonna match that up on the other side left piece. So what that means is take your pattern, your piece of fabric, and you're gonna match it on the right side, because remember, you're sewing opposite. So put your center panel up, face up, put your side left face down on it so your right sides are together, and you're going to sew on the right side of your fabric. If you sew it on the other side, your slit is going to be on the right side of your body. Okay, so this should be what your skirt looks like with that left side attached. You'll see over here, that is the slit. Now we have to go over here and sew the other right side panel to the left side of the center front. Remember, this is the center front. That's going to be the side slit. That's going to be the right side panel. Okay, so I'm starting at the top. This is my waist right here. And I'm starting at the top, and I'm using my pins and my clips. The pattern instructions say, keep in mind, when you get to the bottom, the pieces are not going to match up, and that's okay. We'll address that in a future step.